以听吗 ？Hello？ OK OK. Hello everyone. Okay. Later we'll start at 7 p.m. Okay. And also everyone, please prepare a piece of blank paper, okay? Because today the topic is about the calculation. So Teacher Apple hope you can try to do some calculations by yourself. Okay. Everyone, can you hear me? Yes? Okay. If you can hear me, please let me know. Can, okay? Thank you, Linda. The last 1 minute. Okay. And everyone, please get ready your pencil and also a piece of blank paper, okay? Because the topic is about the calculation. I hope also you can try to do some practice. Yes, pencil and the paper. Pencil and paper. We will start at 7. Okay, great. So now everyone, let's start. Well, today it is a basic topic about the calculation. So actually I will introduce 2 parts. The first part is about the basic 4 operations. I think every student should be quite familiar with this topic. And also Teacher Apple wanna introduce some tips and tricks to help us do calculations more quickly. Okay, now let's start. Well, you can see that actually in a real SASMO test paper, no matter it is in section A or section B, calculation always takes up a great proportion. And that is why we start from this module. Okay, so here a warm-up question for you. Everyone, are you ready? Can you hear me? Okay. This is the real test questions from 2019 paper. Okay, it is a question 2. Which one of the following is not equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8? Okay, now everyone, maybe I think you can try it by yourself. This question is super easy for you. You can just type your answers in the chat box, okay? A, B, C, D, E. Which one is your answer? I give you 1 minute. Read the question carefully. Not equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8. Any idea? B? Okay. Well, actually, everyone, you can see what is the first step here. Well, first you need to figure out the answer of 8 plus 8 plus 8, right? And I know that some of you already mastered multiplication. So you can write it as 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals to 24. So this is the answer you want to figure out. And then let's just analyze the options one by one. Yeah. What about the option A? Let's have a look. 3 plus 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 3. Wow, such a long equation. Okay, so what is the final answer? Actually, it is also 3 times 8, right? Because you can see we have 8 threes here. You just add all of them together, which is the same as the multiplication. 3 times 8. And what about the option B? Option B, division. When you try to figure out the answer of a division calculation, so you just think backwards. 4 times which number equals to 32? You will see that it should be 8. So now you see B is not equals to 24. So we can get it is the wrong. Okay, and for C, 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6 equals to 24. Quite easy, right? And also for D, 8 times 3, we can get 24. Well, this is a basic question, and you can see that in SASMO test paper, you have to understand how to do calculations involving multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, you must understand these 4 operations well. And here, Teacher Apple want to share more about multiplication. Okay, another question for you. Find the number A such that the following statement is true. The question is 3 times 13 plus 5 times 13 equals to A times 8. Do you have any idea? Yeah, again, everyone, you try to observe, okay? For some students, they always tell me, okay, Teacher Apple, I think it is a bit hard because 3 times 13, I can only calculate 13 plus 13 plus 13. And then 5 times 13, again, I need to turn that into addition. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. Wow, the answer is super big. I don't know how to do that. But do you have any easier way? Okay, think about it. The key point here that is you need to understand the meaning of multiplication. Is it a bit hard? I give you some time to think about it, okay? Yeah, what is A? To figure out the unknown variable A. What is A? Okay. Well, actually here, I want to explain more about the logic here. Okay, look, now I want to change the question. Maybe I want to ask you, okay, 3 times Teacher Apple plus 5 times Teacher Apple equals to A times 8. So in this way, let's have a look. What is the meaning of 3 times Teacher Apple? That is now how many Teacher Apples are there? We have 3, right? You just add these 3 Teacher Apples together. And what is the meaning of 5 times Teacher Apple? That is now we have 5 Teacher Apples. Again, you need to add all of them together. Okay, so after that, everyone, please pay attention to the sign in the middle. Look, plus. Now you need to add these 2 parts together. So in this way, look, how many Teacher Apples are there? Actually, we have 8, right? So we already know that what is the meaning of multiplication? It represents the basic idea of repeated addition of the same number. So that is why actually for this question, you can also turn it into 8 times teacher apple. Now you just observe. Letter A times 8. That is the same as 8 times teacher apple. So you can figure out the value of A. Actually, that is also a teacher apple. So you see, this is the logic behind the question here. Okay, so back to our original question. We get 3 times 13. Try to observe, find the common part. Times 13, times 13. So originally you had 3 13s and then you have 5 13s. So in total, how many 13s are there? We have 8, right? So you see 8 13s. So what is A? Letter A. That is 13 as well. Understand now? So actually everyone, you see, again, in the real test paper, you don't need to know how to calculate 3 times 13 or 5 times 13. Actually, as long as you can understand the meaning of multiplication, you can figure out the answer of this question very quickly. Okay, so this is the basic one. And then I want to introduce a bit challenge one, okay? Question 18. It is in section B. In the number sentence below, what is the value of a triangle? What is the number sentence here? Triangle times 4 plus 10 equals to 5 times 4 plus 14. Again, we try to observe. So what is the first step? Can you figure out anything that is in common? Can you find anything? Try to find something in common. That is, you can see that on the left side of the equal sign, and also you can see that on the right side. Can you find anything in common? Okay, I see some of you already figured out. Yeah, that is multiplied by 4, right? Okay, times 4, times 4. And then you see on the left side, how many 4 are there? It is a triangle. What is the value of triangle? We don't know. But move on to the right side. How many 4 are there? 5 times 4. We can get in total, you need to add 5 4s together. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? This is the meaning of 5 times 4. But after that, again, you need to observe. Here, on the left side, we have a plus 10. But on the right side, we have a plus 14. Okay, here, the tip is about how can you split the number. 14, can you find of 10 from 14? You can try to split 14 into 10 and 4. Again, everyone, you try to observe how many 4 are there on the right side now. Originally, we can see there are 5, and after that, you need to plus 1 more 4. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. In total, we have 6 4 here. That is why we can get triangle equals to 6. Understand now? So you see, what is the question? What is the logic here? Firstly, try to find the thing you can see in common. Okay, what can you see on the left side as well as the right side? And then you need to think about it. What is the meaning of the multiplication here? So in this question, you need to figure out how many 4 are there. After that, again, you try to figure out the extra part. For 10 and 14, can you find any relationship here? Look, you can split 14 into a 10 and a 4. Okay? Yes, well done. Okay, now move on to our second part. Here, look, quick quiz. What is the sum of 7 plus 8 plus 3? What is the final answer? I think this is a P1 question for you, right? 7 plus 8 plus 3, what is it? Okay, I see some of your answers very fast. Good job. So do we need to work that step by step? Okay, I know that teacher told me you need to calculate from the left side to the right side. So we have 7 plus 8 equals to 15. 15 plus 3 equals to 18. Is it? Any easier way to do that? Any easier way? Yes, I know that some of you already learned the best friend pairs, right? So we can get 7 plus 3 equals to 10. And after that, 10 plus 8, now super easy. That is 18, okay? This is the easier way for us to do calculation. And actually, you can see that as long as the last digit is 0, then your calculation will be very easy. Just like 10 plus 7 equals to 17. 30 plus 6 equals to 36. Yeah, good job. Okay. And also, we have 15 plus 9 equals to 59. So you just again observe 0, 0, 0, and then you can get calculation is very easy. Okay, now let's try to review some good friend pairs. Pay attention to the ones digit. Ones digit, that is the last digit, okay? As long as you find a 1, try to find its best friend, which is a 9. And then we have a 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and then 5 and 5. I think this part is very easy for you, right? For ones digit. Okay, so here everyone, look, another key point. When it comes to addition, do remember that it is about the addition. We try to make best friend pairs to get tens, okay? To make sure that the last digit, the ones digit is always a 0. Okay, and what about the subtraction? Again, quick quiz for you. What is 89 minus 19? 89 minus 19 equals to what? What is the difference here? 89 minus 19 equals to, okay, 5 seconds for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job. Again, very easy, right? Because you can see 9, the last digit, the ones digits are the same. So we can get, okay, 8 minus 1 equals to 7. But the final answer is not 7. Why? Because it should be 80 minus 10, right? So we can get 70. Okay, the last one. Wow, yeah, very good. Okay, the last one, 37 minus 7 equals to what? Again, you see, the last digits are the same. 7, 7, then you just cancel. But do remember that for your final answer cannot be equal to 3. It should be 30. So what is the tip and trick in subtraction? That is, you try to find the same tail and try to cancel it. Okay, let's have a quick review. You see, when it comes to addition, what should we do? You just try to find the good friends to make a 10 or tens. And when it comes to subtraction, what should we do? You try to find the same tail and cancel. Okay, now everyone, please take out your pencil and a piece of blank paper. Let's try to do some calculations. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Quickly, 22 plus 7 plus 18 equals to what? Think about it. What should we do first? Do I need to calculate again from the left to right? Okay, 22 plus 7 equals to 29. 29 plus 18, blah, blah, blah. Any easier way? Try to figure out the answer. 22 plus 7 plus 18 equals to? Oh, I see different answer. 37, 47. Okay. I give you the second chance. 22 plus 7 plus 18 equals to? Equals to what? Okay, good job. Equals to 47. Okay. Again, you see, can you find the good friends? Look at the last digit, 2 and 8. You can make a 10, right? Okay, so we can calculate 22 plus 18 first. 22 plus 18. Wow, this part is very easy for students to make mistakes. Most students get a 30, right? Because 2 plus 1 equals to 3, so you get 30, right? No, okay, do remember the carryover. So actually, it should be 40. 40 plus 7 equals to 47. Okay, the second one. Again, 47 minus 19 minus 17 equals to... Do I need to turn that into the vertical form? Okay, again, write it down. 47 and then minus 19. Okay, 7 cannot minus 9. You need to borrow. Do I need to do like this way? No, okay. Again, what is the easier way? Yes, the easier way, 47. And then what should we do? Here, everyone, Teacher Apple want to remind you, when you try to circle the number, do remember to circle the operator in front of it, okay? So it should be 47 and then minus 17. Okay, do remember the operator in front of the number. Okay, so in this way, we get a 30 for this part. And after that, what should we do with 30? 30 and then minus 19. Again, here I want to highlight it, okay? That is a minus 19. Don't forget the operator in front of it. So again, we get 11. Is that clear? Okay. Do remember to circle the operator, okay? And then one more question for you. 18 plus 22 plus 55 minus 55 plus 39 minus 19. Oh, you see, the calculation sentence is even longer, right? But everyone, again, can you try to figure out the good friend pairs or try to cancel the same tail? Okay, you try it. A bit challenging, right? 60, okay. Okay, try to figure out. 60, are you sure? You only have one chance, okay? 20, okay, different answer. 30, okay. Okay, so here, everyone, let's have a look. What should we do? Again, we just analyze one by one. Okay, we have 18. What is the ones digit? Ones digit, look, we have 8. Who is the best friend of 8? We have a 2. Can you find the 2 here? Look, here we have a 2, right? And also pay attention to the operator here. It is a plus, right? Plus. So in addition, you can find the good friend pairs to make a 0. 18 plus 22, we can get it should be 40. It is not 30, okay? Not 30. Do remember the carryover. And after that, everyone, let's have a look. Plus 15. Again, when you circle, do remember the operator here, okay? You need to circle plus 55. Plus 55 can be canceled with what? Minus 55. Okay, also do remember to circle the operator in front of the number. Here, plus 55 minus 55, what can you get? You can get a big 0, right? Okay, so you just ignore this part. Okay, and then let's move on. Move on to the subtraction. We have a 39 plus 39, and then you minus 19. Okay, 39 minus 19, what can you get? You can get 20, right? So now you see, this is the working. Okay, everyone do remember that as long as you can figure out the sum or difference, you just write it down, okay, to remind yourself. You cannot just keep it in your mind. Write it down. And then for any number that you can cancel directly, you just draw a line. Okay, so now you see the final answer, 60. How many of you answered this question correctly? Yeah, okay. Is it hard? Is it hard? Not really, right? Okay, good. Now, next one. 43 plus 28 plus 12 minus 13 plus 39 minus 29 equals to, okay. What is it? 43 plus 28 plus 12 minus 13 plus 39 minus 29. When we mix addition and subtraction, again, try to split the long number sentence, okay? 43, can you find the good friends? Can you find the same tail? Try it. The answer, 60. Okay. 60. Okay. Oh, 80. I see different answer. Oh, 82. Okay. 70. Okay. 69. Okay. Wow, so many different answers. Okay. 43 plus 28 plus 12 minus 13 plus 39 minus 29 equals to Oh, okay, finally. Okay, so here, everyone, you see what is the answer? The answer should be 80. Okay, how can I get 69? Okay, look at again. For this question, what should we do? Firstly, 43, right? We have 43. The last digit is 3. So if you want to figure out a good friend, you need to look at the 7. But can you find 7? We have 28, 12, 13, 39, 29. No, there is no 7. Okay, so can you find the same tail? Can you find the same tail? Yes, we have a 13. And here, can we just circle, okay, 13? No, don't do that, okay? Everyone, please try to circle minus 13, okay? So here, 3, same tail, then you can just cancel. What is 43 minus 13, everyone? 90, no, 43 minus 13. So here for this part, you can get 30, okay? Write it down, we have a 30. Okay, and then move on to the next part. For the next number, that is a plus 28. Okay, the last digit is 8. Can you find a good friend? 8 and 2, right? 8 and 2 can make good friends. Can you find 2? Oh, look, it is very close. Okay, so what is 28 plus 12? Do you remember the carryover? You cannot say, okay, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. The answer is 30. No, the answer should be 40. Okay. Be careful, okay? And finally, let's move on to the last part. We have a plus 39 and then minus 29. Can you see that? The same tail, 9. So 39 minus 29 equals to what? Equals to 10, okay? What is the last step? For the final step, you just add all these numbers together. We have 30 plus 40 plus 10 equals to 80. Clear? Understand now? Okay, be more careful, okay? Now, again, another challenge question for you, everyone. Let me check this time how many of you can answer it correctly. 66 plus 55 minus 46 plus 27 minus 35 plus 13. Wow, looks very complicated. What is the answer here? Want to cry? The question is very hard, right? No, you can do it, okay? Just try to circle. Try to split it. 66. You see, the last digit is 6. Can you find good friends 4? Can you find the same tail 6? Okay, I see. We have a 50, 80, 80 again. 80. Everyone, do remember to double check your answer, okay? Because if this is a real competition, you only have one chance, right? You only have one chance. If you are very sure of your answer, then you can input your answer in the chat box. 80. Wow, I see some students want to cry. Okay, now let's have a look. What is the answer? The answer should be 80 again. Okay, so how should we do that? Okay, firstly, let me clean my screen. Okay. Again, we just analyze one by one. For the first one, 66, right? 66, and then what should we do? Try to find a good friend, or try to find the same tail. So can you find a good friends 4? Can you find 4? No, there is no 4, right? Okay, so what should we do? Try to find the same tail. Look, that is a minus 46. Minus 46, okay? So when it comes to subtraction, you can just apply the tip and trick. You cancel the same tail. 66 minus 46, here we have 20, okay? Write it down, okay? Take out pencil, write it down. And after that, move on to 55. Well, for 55, again, look. Which one is the best friend to 5? Again, that is 5, right? 5 plus 5 equals to 10. And also, if you want to cancel, also you need to figure out a 5 because the same tail. Now, can you find 5? Look, we have minus 35. Everyone, pay attention. That is why Teacher Apple asked you, when you try to circle the number, please do remember to circle the operator in front of it as well. Because I already saw some students writing as a 55 and then plus 35, okay, equals to 90. No, okay, it should be minus 35. Yeah, after that we can get, okay, this part again, very easy, 20, right? Okay, finally, we still have the last two numbers, plus 27 and then plus 13, okay, plus, find the best friends. We have 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals to 10, and then regrouping, okay, we have 20 plus 10 plus 10. Here we have 40. It is 40, it is not 30, huh? Finally, you can get the answer. What is it? 20 and then plus another 20 and then plus another 40. So in this way, we get 80. Understand now? Yes. Again, how many of you already figured out correctly? Is it hard? Is it hard? Not really, right? Okay. So finally, everyone, let's have 20 plus 40 because some students want to cry. Okay. So everyone, finally, let's have a quick summary of today's mini class. Okay. So actually today we learned the two parts. For 4 operations, I want to emphasize how can we figure out the multiplication here. It is more important for you to understand the meaning of multiplication. And for your basic calculation, maybe you try to memorize the times table. Okay, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, until 9 times 9. So what is the meaning of multiplication? It represents the basic idea of repeated addition of the same number. So when it comes to SASMO test paper, you try to find something in common. Okay, try to circle the common part first. Okay, and then for the second one, what is the key point of tips and tricks in calculation? For addition, that is, you try to make a zero by looking for the best friends. And in subtraction, also you try to make a zero by cancel the same top. So what methods did we learn today? Look for the first one. That is, you try to make best friend pairs to get a 10 or tens. And for subtraction, you try to find the same tail and cancel. When you circle the numbers, do remember the operator in front of the number, okay? Pay attention to the signs. The last one, if we just plus and minus the same number, what can you get? You get a big zero, right? A big zero. Even you plus 100 minus 100, that is still a zero. You plus 1 million minus 1 million, that is still a zero, right? Because you plus and minus the same number. Understand now? Okay. So now everyone, this is the end, and later I will share the slides and also your DMD worksheet in our group. Okay, I'm looking forward to receiving your homework. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you.